Kia ora guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going to Floe Lake, hiking. It's about 11k in, staying the night, so we'll get some shots of, well, the moon's out, so we'll get some shots of the night time, sunrise, maybe sunset, and we'll see what this hike's all about. Stay tuned. Sweet, so we're at about an hour up at the moment. So when you're starting the hike, it's all quite gradually flat, and then by the time you get to the second bridge, it starts going up, and then it flattens off a little bit, but then we just come to the next part where it starts going up. So we're stuck here right now, just starting to get on some switchbacks, but still, beautiful view for only an hour up. So we've got a couple hours to go, so let's get moving. So while you're walking along the trail, some beautiful views. We've got the Floe Peak just over here, some wicked wildflowers all across here, make some awesome compositions, so you can always get a shot from there. But we've got probably another hour and a half left, so let's get it. We've got still a little ways to go. A couple of things you're going to need for this hike. Bear spray is a must. There's a lot of bears in the area, or bears, or bears, however you want to say it. Good hiking shoes, even though Saki over here has just got some sandals. I just got my hiking boots. A lot of water, and maybe when you get to the lake you might need to purify your water, so maybe just buy a purifier or something along those lines at your store. Sorry, there's a shaky. I am hiking through these bushes. Yeah, we're almost there. That's a peak there. So just around this mountain here is where we're going. So just a little bit longer and we'll see you when we're there. have made it to Floe Lake. Such a beautiful area. This is like one of my recommendations is definitely try and come here. Once you cross the last river, it's no bridge or anything, it's actually just a stream that you're going to walk across. It goes into switchbacks. Now this is going to be the hardest part of your hike. It's, I'm going to guess, 20 to 25 switchbacks, and it's a slug. So when I got here, I actually got here a couple hours ago. I had to have a nap because I've had 2 hours of sleep, and then I had a nap because I was so exhausted. So now I'm out just doing some exploring. Right now, right where I'm sitting is actually the old Floe Lake patrol cabin. So it's pretty cool that it's still here. We're going to be doing some nighttime shots and see how they go, and then we're going to do some sunrise shots. So again, I'm not going to sleep a lot, but there's some amazing waterfalls. The water's amazing to jump into, so this is one place you guys should come. To book online, it's going to be at discoverbc.com or .ca, I think it is. And there's a lot of bugs here, just to let you know. So make sure you have some bug spray because it's pretty bad. So once you book your spot, I booked 3 months in advance to get my spot for one night. I actually came and hit there in September just to check out Floe Lake, and it was beautiful, so I had to come back here. There's still a couple of there's still a couple of shots I need to get that I'm happy with. I took some earlier ones, they're on my Instagram one, but still, I got some better shots to do, especially with nighttime photography stuff. The moon is almost at full, so we might get the moon reflection off the lake, might be cool. Not sure how much stars we're going to get, but water's blue, it's a good time here. Come check it out. So I'm going to start doing some more, I'm just going to start doing some photos, and then I will talk to you guys in a bit. So one thing that's crazy right now is out of nowhere a thunderstorm came. So my night shots that I was planned, it's probably going to go to shit. But there's some big thunderstorms, and let's see what happens after this, eh? Alright, so we're back up here for sunrise. I couldn't do any photos last night because there was a big storm, so that went all night. I did try to get up at one point, just wasn't happening. So we got up for sunrise and it's literally all clear. Like, look how glass this lake is. It's pretty unreal. So we'll do sunrise here and then we're going to start heading back. It's around about 6 in the morning at the moment. So here's the shots that I got and I'll talk to you in a bit. Well guys, made it back down. Hope you enjoyed those photos that I just took over at Floe Lake over there. Yeah, it's about a 4-hour trip, 4.5-hour trip up, and I'd say about, what do you think, 2 hours down? Yeah. 2 and a bit down. But otherwise, hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, put that notification on bell. I do have some more videos coming. I'm going to do some more hiking videos, reviews, and just tutorials. So if you like what's going on, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.